Some thoughts for Christian America. If you believe in the finished work of the cross, meaning it is finished, all craving, all destruction, all pain, all sin, all deception is done in the name of Christ. It is finished. Peace, grace, and the Holy Spirit reigns. If you believe that, why are you waiting for a second coming? I'm asking you this, Christian America. Do you believe in the finished work of the cross? Or are you waiting for Jesus to come in the second coming? See, because you can't hold both of those beliefs. In the first one, that makes you a Christian. In the second one, that makes you a Talmudic Jew. See, the Talmud is designed and encourages continuous destruction. Its whole perspective is that the earth is flawed and broken and full of sin. There is no heaven. There is no redemption here. This is a torrid place. All humans outside of Jews are disgusting, sinister animals, and they need to be destroyed. So the Zionist Talmudic regime takes great pleasure in pitting us against each other and watching us destroy each other, right? Because they believe that there is a utopia in the future. They must destroy all of this in order to reach the utopia. That's their insane belief system. So they are waiting for Messiah, their utopia, and they are doing everything to destroy the earth in order to get to that. Now, Christian Americans who support the Zionist Talmudic Israeli regime and the way they play behind the scenes, if you support that regime, you serve the Talmudic Satanic God. That's who you serve. If you are waiting for the second coming, you think Jesus has to come again, then what the fuck happened on the cross? Are you a Christian who believes in peace, grace, and the finished work? Here we dwell in the Garden of Eden with the Holy Spirit right here in this moment. We are the Atman. We are the Buddha. We are the Christ. Do you believe that? Or are you waiting for such a time? And if you're waiting for such a time and you think a second coming is happening and you're doing everything to fulfill insane Talmudic apocalyptic prophecy, you serve a God of destruction, unfortunately. You do not serve the Father that Jesus was talking about. Those are two different things. So if any Christian out there is supporting going to war in Palestine to fulfill some apocalyptic prophecy, you're not a Christian. You're a Talmudic Zionist Jew. Surprise!